Okay. Should be up. Live stream notification. Move embeds. Alright, we're good. Here's some good shit there. There we go. We're chilling now. Hello, Goober. Welcome to the stream. Okay, let's just get straight to it. We just finished Clone last night. So now we're on to Dart Trap, which is gonna be easy. And welcome back, Bubsy. Welcome to the stream of the dev. Oh, I gotta turn this fucking music down. For me, at least. Alright, we good. Dart Trap is gonna be literally just like any of the Bloom Sword ones. You're gonna skedaddle? Alright, see ya. Good. I didn't even want you here. Never come back. Alright. Give random player Dart Trap. Honestly, I don't feel like doing this anymore. Because I have at least 13 events that are just give item. Like, yes, technically if I want to make them more advanced by doing some effect once it gives item, then I need, obviously, separate scripts, but like, for currently, like, having one script handling that would be nice. Very, very nice. But for the hell of it, I don't really care that much. I do, but like, at this point, whatever. So, basically just gonna copy confuse array. This one is just the item I give player item. That's literally all it's gonna be. Give player item. Give player confuse array. Give player item name. This is just what's gonna be every single time. Which will work out eventually. Yeah. Confuso array prefab. We good there? No, oh my. Anytime I mention something. Oh goodness. I was thinking about it. I was like, oh, confuse array. But now we're fucking doing Dart Trap. I'm stupid. Alright. Get around player Dart Trap, so local random alive. I'm just gonna copy it. Boom. Save lots of time. We just need player guider. So basically, never mind. I'll do something else, but whatever. Forget it. You're here again? Welcome back, Cool Gaming. Glad to have you back. Alright, now we add this to the test method. Even though it's probably going to work because they're just the same as any other give item thing. Oh, wait, no. Oh, what's right about that? Alright, done. Look at that. We're gonna be flying through these. Actually, oh, this one's unique. The plot one. Or a random plot becomes a prop. That one's at least unique. What should I call it? Plot prop. Sure. That's what we're gonna call it, I guess. Basically the same thing as all other ones. Oh, that's false news. Alright, boom, boom, boom. All the basics. Change these names. Copy that message. But then the code, I'm probably gonna revamp. Because this code right here, that's fine. But it can be a bit more cleaner. What should I call it? Make random plot prop. And then plot helper, that's a service script, which eventually will become replicated storage. Almost anything that I'm gonna have right now that's currently in service script service is gonna go to client-sided. Except obviously the main game stuff. But like stuff like gang ram plots should be client-sided. Random any plot. L variable name. Alright. Now make plot prop. Plot model. Alright. So now basically this code gets copied but modified to be better. So that's also one of the things that also should be in a module, getting the building from a plot. Also, welcome alt soccer dude. Bro to start stream. Twin locked in? Oh yeah. I'm always locked in. See right here, this could be better. Is equals nil, return. Turn false because then I can't make anything. Local function, unanchor, plot parts. And then just call that on the plot. I'll be building. My fault, my fault. I forgot how to do my own game. Unanchor building parts. This is literally it. I don't know. Okay, that was weird. Basically, if it's the base part, then you want to unanchor it. Because anything that's not a base part can't be unanchored. So that's basically, you're chilling there. Alright. That seems fine. So add that to test event method. We'll test that later. Everything looks fine though. And it's cleaner. Can you add event with the think fast chuckle nuts voice line from TF2? What would that do though? What would they have to think fast about? Like a math problem? Actually no. Perfect Housing already has that. But could be think fast about something else. And currently, the only like thing where you have to think fast as an event is the knife. So you have half a second to move away before it starts coming down. So then the dodge appears. See, okay, I have a knife, and I already have a plan to make a forklift that rams people. That will also be like a quick time thing. At a train, well, I mean, I kind of already have that with the forklift. That'll be. I think it was forklift, yeah. Train would be too advanced. Also, I think, what's that game called again? Crazy Plots or whatever. Has a train, but like, also not like they invented trains. How many events are gonna be in the final game? I'm hoping at least 100. Currently there's 60 and then like 15 rare events. Actually, okay, hundreds. I'm hoping to have 75 unique regular events, not including rare events. But with rare events, it'll probably be 100 total. Rare events don't really count as events because they're like rare, and most of them just do what regular events do, but like to everyone. But yeah, hoping to at least have 75 on game launch. That's the plan. Alright. You just did prop. Give player Excalibur. AKA copy paste confuse array. Excalibur. Did I spell that right? Excalibur, yeah, that looks fine. Alright, reach on. Then it's gonna whine about it not being that. Helper Excalibur module. It's overrunning. Did I change? Actually, no. I'll find out when I test. If I forgot to change the event name for the other one. For the prop. Give RAM player Excalibur. And then Lily just changed that. And then Excalibur prefab Excalibur. Actually, isn't it called Broken Excalibur? No, that's the folder. Excalibur folder. But the Broken Excalibur prefab, the tool, is gonna be in Excalibur folder, that Broken Excalibur. Aha! Oh, the plot's over the void? Yep. Everything is over the void. Always. Player Excalibur. Give player Excalibur. Give player Excalibur. Alright. Excalibur done. See, it'll be faster for these Anakin ones. Almost all of these are that. Okay, see, my code changed here. All these old ones. I don't know what I was on when I made this code. Because this one had check for RAM player and RAM character. This one used, obviously, the new advanced system. And I did it here, but also keep on checking for character. I don't know, man. I was high when doing this or some shit. That's a joke. I don't do jokes. But like, what the fuck was I doing, man? Oh my goodness. All these ones are just give item. Stinky Landmine, Pickaxe, Princess, Pizza. Not Picnic. Okay, here we get into some fun stuff. That's not just give player item. Okay. We just gotta get through five of these. Will there be credits for the game? Probably. I mean, I'm gonna have to, because obviously you helped make shit for the castle map and all that, so I'm gonna have to just out of, I don't know, because I have to. We should add an event with a big pole spinning around the map. Sorry to break it to you, but Perfect Housing already has that. But there is technically, I have a spinner event. It's not a giant pole, it's like a big, sort of big. If you play the game, you'll encounter the spinner, but it's more advanced because in Perfect Housing is just a game mode, where it's a giant one. Mine's like an actual like small spinner, and it's some advanced systems. Excalibur, then we have Stinky Landmine, aka the landmine copied from my old game, Roblox Wars. Stinky Landmine Helper, Stinky. That module. No, you can't play the game, no one else plays it. Actually today, I was informed by one of my viewers that they got their friend to go on, and then their friend got their friends to go on, and there was at least 10 people playing today. I think I can pull up and stream. There was at least 10 people playing concurrently today. Just gotta get a lot of people to come on. Once I start doing playtests, it'll be full lobbies, and full enough to where you might actually not be able to join, because they get full so quickly. But that'll be for it. You feel so special in a way. Your main alt account playing the game right now? See, you have alt soccer dude farming wins right now. Of his 2 accounts. So you can help stop him. I think Stinky Landmine is just out there, yeah. Stinky Landmine, prefab. Bam. Copy name. Stinky Landmine. Stinky Landmine. Done. Wait, no, I gotta change it. I forgot to change the thing. That's being tested. Okay. Done. 4 more to go before we get to actual fun stuff to recode. 3 people playing the game? Oh. I think you can give me a tag that says developer in the game. I can give you a tag that says builder. So I mean, you're not a developer. I'm the sole developer. Yeah, and plus, it sounds cooler for builder. In fact, you're the Lego master builder from the Lego movie. Okay, pickaxe is at least the same thing. Sneaky landmine, pickaxe. Boom, boom, boom. Pickaxe helper. You take that, the master builder. Badass title. Oh yeah. Will depend, but nah, you'll get builder. Or ooh, or I should have the community vote of whether or not you should get builder. Obviously I'll give it to you, but like they'll vote on whether or not they think the new lobby's better. Probably they'll say yes, but we'll find out. Rock and stone, pickaxe, done. See, look how quick that was. Okay, we did pickaxe. What? Seems unfair. For what? Princess dog. Unban Taurus before he comes for you. Oh yeah, dude. Wait, also, Bubsy, I saw one of your videos yesterday. You got some. I loved your transitions. Your newest video was pretty fire. Since Dave asking for manager, I said in the next update, man. It's not gonna happen until the next update. You gotta be patient. When update and playtest is what happens when the update happens. Everything happens when the update happens. That's just how it works. Everything happens when update happens. Game line. Actually, I was gonna say princess. Princess dog sounds wrong. Because princess is just the actual name of the gremlin. Princess event module. Princess helper. Okay, there we go. Princess prefab. Princess prefab. Give player princess. Dong. Next. See, we're gonna go through most of them. Taurus, can you buy a tortoise? I can. My parents are gonna allow it. I mean, they'll allow it, but where the hell am I gonna put it? Nowhere. So I won't. You want to make a video where you actually put effort into the games? But you posted this terrible. No. It was fire. Alt soccer dude. Tell this guy that his video is fire. And Emancy. It's alright. Oh, I enjoyed it. Pizza prefabs and food. Food folder. Dot food. Food folder. Dot pizza. See some potential in the video? He sees all the potential. Sucker dude sees everything. Give player pizza. Give pizza. Nom nom nom. Alright. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Looks good to me. Like this. We're speedrunning. Okay, picnic. Here's one that's not just copy and paste. Picnic. How do you win every fistfight in Chaos Company against me? Cause I know how to play my own game. That's how. Also, I don't think you noticed that every fourth punch you do is a uppercut and it does 10 damage instead of 5. Because when I was fighting you, I kept on running back, do 3 punches, run up to you, do the uppercut, then run away. That's basically all I did. Because I know how to play my own game. I'm just cracked. Send cheat codes? There's no cheat codes yet. Were you seeing a comment on the video from you, but you were tired and didn't realize it was me? All good. Alright, we got picnic. Let's replay. Are you adding more minigames? What do you mean by minigames? Like when Torts fought you, but actually the battle? What? Okay. OBS chat's kind of weird. I'm getting it like out of order. Yeah. What do you mean by minigames? Like events? Or like stuff in the lobby? Snake is probably either going to be making a game in 24 hours or ChatGPT gives me elements to the game I make. Improve the UI? Well, UI is temporary right now. I mean, temporary in quotations. I think the shop looks fine, but everyone says it's not great, but like, I mean, who the fuck cares right now? I'm trying to get main shit done. UI will be later. Spawn picnic on random plot. Return false, plot helper. Ba-bam, ba-bam, ba-bam. Done. You asked for rematch because you know how to play now? Do you know the gameplay? What do you mean? You asked 2 questions and then said no to the gameplay. Are you saying no to the gameplay about adding more minigames or UI? Can I pay you to start signing on stream? What? Spawn picnic at pause. Okay, because this is basically... Where's the other one? Free real estate, jump for joy, motorcycle. Basically motorcycle. Copy this. Bada bing, bada boom. If Gas Company doesn't come out this year, you're gonna come to my house and take the seasoning out my ramen? Okay. I'll make sure to release it this year. Okay, I mean, this is the first full week I have of summer break. So, and I guarantee you that I will finish this event revamp by the end of this week. And once that's done, basically, it's free sailing from there. Actually, I can't guarantee it, because I work all of, what are this holidays called? Memorial Day weekend. So I won't have that. So, I'll guarantee that most of it will be done by the end of this week. Hopefully. Maybe. Again, don't quote me on that. Alright, parent instance. Mail helper, server, modules folder. Alright. Picnic. Picnic. Local picnic prefab equals replicate storage. That pick. Nope. Event dynamic folders. That picnic. What? It's not. Huh? Am I stupid? Actually, I should check the fucking event code. Food. Oh, food. That picnic setup. Have under food. Food folder. Food. Event. Food folder. Picnic setup. double return trues. Event module dot spawn picnic pause. Ramp plot, okay. It's basically okay. Ramp. That's fine. That should work. That's basically what I had for motorcycle. Hold up. Yeah, I'd basically that. This one was different though, because wait, no, it's not. Okay, this one I use the actual plot size. Plot size. Land plots are try get. Am I using land plots twice? No, I'm using map helper. Map helper right here. Recording audio for next vid. You're gonna have stream mute for a bit. All right. Can you give me turtle row? No, that doesn't exist. And also, turtles are worse than tortoises, so I would never have that rule in my Discord. All right. Local spawn pause vector 3 is equal to nil. Then the spawn point, then spawn pause. Is it vector? Yeah, vector 3. Spawn equals spawn point dot position plus vector 3. Copy this. And then I'll have math. Can't do shit without math. Then plot size. Okay, that looks fine. And then let's basically the same thing here. But instead of spawning it at the spawn point position, it is at ram plot primary part. Primary part. Technically, primary part is just the world pivot, so I don't even gotta do this. The turtles are so much better than tortoises. Proof me tortoises better. I already did. Check our DMs. You asked me that like 2 weeks ago or some shit. I gave you all the proof. Yeah. Frame. No, because I used the plot size here. So I can still use world pivot. World pivot at position. That's the same as primary part position, but I still need plot size. This is just gonna be based off the regular positions. Right. That's fine. Once again, we'll find out if it works or not once it gets tested. Make sure event container module that tests event method and that method. That ain't enough. You just made a random how much texture they left. No, I didn't. I gave you how we are more OP than turtles. All I need to do is pivot, right? Yeah, picnic pivot 2. That's all I did. Picnic pivot 2. So transfer new system. Done. Picnic should be completed. Looks good to me. Ooh, JO round player. That's gonna be nice. Can you say I love tortoises as a joke for 1 cent? I love tortoises. That was easy. Alright, jail. Just call it jail? Sure. Kind of, broad. Jail helper. Jail module. Can you have some money in case company later? Why? Oh yeah, cause you got like 500 accounts banned. I'll give you money once I remove all of your old accounts from the frickin' manager list. Jail random player. Jail humanoid. 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 Done. Can you keep them because they special? No. All this is just gonna make it harder to add more people. Honestly, I don't even know what they are at this point because you've made so many. If I go to Game Pass Handler, are you super ding ding? Cinnamon Toast Crunch was yours. I don't remember if Super Ding Ding was yours or not. So I'm just gonna leave that there. That was your friend? Okay. Don't delete Sim. Well, it's gone. All it's gonna do is cause clutter and make the game longer to update. You know? You said you wanted the game to be updated, well... yeah. Jail RAM player. It's basically just ba-bam. If random players equal to nil, then... sorry, random alive player should be the variable name. Jail humanoid. Oh, I have to check for humanoid. Why? Because. Can you still have it? Yeah. What fucking song is this? Gotta listen to Tears of the Kingdom now. Have what though? What do you need now? Jail him. That would be better, because currently the police car can jail any humanoid, so that would make sense. Copyright music? No. Tears of the Kingdom's not copyrighted. I was just playing frickin' a bunch of songs from the Wii. Well, I mean, those aren't copyrighted because they're just so fucking old. Man. Wait, what did I do with the other one I need humanoid? I had another event that needed humanoid, and I don't remember if I did anything with that. Ugh. Was it close, or did I decide not to do it? Actually, I think I decided not to go down that path. Yeah, I think I was like, I'll deal with that later. But now I need to deal with it. Wait, no, I'm stupid. Game Ram Live player does return humanoid. No, it doesn't. Oh, does it? Yeah, is player alive or turns humanoid? Fuck. I remembered that yesterday. When did I need humanoid? Pizza, puddle, shrink player? Was it shrink humanoid? Yeah, wait, I did do it. Hold up. What did I do? Oh, I just... did some bad stuff. I think I changed it from string character to string humanoid. This isn't gonna cause an error. Yeah. Alt soccer dude, stop saying these slurs. You said that 2 days ago too. Probably weren't as bad as K-Toss though. He said it multiple times and uncensored. Why transfer me manager? Everything else you just typed aren't words, so I think I'm safe. What's the thing? It's not... Whatever. I'll just fucking do it. This is not technically... good. But at this point, Roblox is stupid, so... I gotta do what I gotta do. I'm gonna cast this as a humanoid. Alright. Chat, new lobby look kind of fresh. Is it the same as yesterday, or is it slightly changed? Post and insert media. The changes you made. Alright, so I basically did this. Which is not good. I really want to revamp this, but that means that if I get all live players, it's gonna have to return a thing of player and humanoid. But that's obviously not gonna happen. So I need a custom type. Now I have the dilemma of if I want to make a custom player type, or will I have the player and the actual humanoid. Over engineering at its finest. I really want to fucking do it. A lot has changed. That's good. MNC, I don't know what the fuck you're saying. I mean, I know what you're saying, but it's not English. Is this even called anywhere else? Oh, it is. Display of a live tag. Huh. Well, if I want custom player, I want to be... We're doing it. Export type alive player is equal to player humanoid. We're fucking doing it. Which means anything that uses this is gonna break. Okay, I'm having second thoughts now. So I have to fucking redo anything that uses this, because I can't cast it as a player. Actually, wait. Actually, it might automatically. Let's do this. That's gonna air out. Who cares? I just want to see. Ram a live player. Yeah. Player question mark and convert to humanoid. Well, what about... Wait, no. That's not updated, though. Now it says... I know, never mind. What a good English. Event module dot shrink a shrink humanoid. A live player dot. Because random player is a live player. That humanoid. Damn it, that's the thing. I kinda wanna try it with anything that uses a player. Cause it might default to the first thing in the table. Because basically every single thing in Roblox is tables. Random live player. Random live player. Damn it! Well, technically, I could do anything that uses this. Ah, fuck, man. Unless I... unless I make like a deprecated function now. I need to make two versions of this. Two versions. One that has player. And one that's function module that get random alive player. Underscore. Just underscore, basically. A live player. But then, I can't do that because then you get a lot of live players. Ah. Welcome back, Bubsy. MNC, I'ma mute you for spamming. Well, dilemma again. Do I suck it up and just refactor every single thing that uses this function, which is used almost everywhere? I guess so. 'Cause, I mean, Spare Life does return. No, it returns Boolean humanoid. Damn it. Fuck this shit. Never mind. I'll deal with the stinky code for a bit. We'll call it a day. I don't feel like doing every single thing. I'll just copy this absolute nasty thing anytime I need a humanoid. That player getter does. Personnel then return false. No alive players exist. And then humanoid goes that, because I can guarantee that the RAM player exists. Or that the humanoid exists, because the frickin' thing checks for it. Kid is not my son. What song lyrics are you posting? Alright, let's... getting distracted. Humanoid. What? Is there still more? Okay, now here's the actual Tri-Jail humanoid. Oh wow, that's a lot of stuff. I can definitely make that cleaner. Character. You don't need character though. I'll do pivot too. So I guess you do need it. I guess. Of course, have you heard that song before? Billie Jean by Michael Jackson. maybe I've heard it on the radio, but I don't listen to it in my own time. Oh, this is actually a fire song. Local jail cell prefab event. I just followed that jail cell or jail. Okay, we have jail cell prefab. Missing out for real? I mean, I probably heard of it. Michael Jackson is always on the radio and shit. Teleport. What a root part pit to. Well, I do anchor, so I can't move. Whatever. We'll deal with it. Base parts. Character model. Spelled character wrong. Tail to jail cell. Jail cell. Set primary part. It should be pivot too. I don't know how I'm using set primary part. It is anchored, so it shouldn't have any problems. Unless I did have problems. I don't know, we'll find out once I do play this thing. Map helper. That looks fine. I did all this shit because I was having issues with it. Not actually teleport. Making the player go inside the actual frickin' jail cell. Is just simple from Tears of the Kingdom. What? Handler skip. Also, this should not need to be done. Is this music, I mean? Yeah. I have a I have a playlist of 3 songs just from Tears of the Kingdom because there's not many good songs I like to listen to. This is the Shrine Battle one, which is fucking fire. Except for like some parts like this where it's just like random keystrokes to make you feel stressed. The rest is fire. Yeah, I should not have that. Actually, anyway. I don't feel like having to find a script and all that. I hate doing that. 'Cause, I mean, jail handler, just this. Like, that can just be enabled. Okay, we should be chilling now. I should probably test this out now. It's already being tested automatically, but like, I've done a lot. There's a lot of things being tested right now, so I should probably make sure those things are working. Alright guys, I have to turn on display capture, or else it won't show. Bye, humanity. You will be missed, definitely. Actually, ooh. Will the jail work when they're small? And it should, but I guess we'll find out. So make sure output here is outdone. Now, okay, pizza's working. Pickaxe working fine. Pickaxe still working. Okay, keep on getting the same thing. And on the same person. Either this is insane luck. Okay. These are the only 2 events that exist. Okay, we got clone. Wait, make sure. Okay, it duplicates the chat, as it should. We got princess. Princess is working. Jail, there we go. Okay, now test event method. Clone works, we can get that out of here. Dart trap, I don't know yet. Excalibur, I think we just got Excalibur. But we've only been getting... Is this just insanely bad luck, or are we just not getting Excalibur? Okay, picnic. that should not be happening. Okay, we got trap. We can definitely pickaxe working. Jail working. Picnic. Pizza definitely working. Are we just getting insanely bad luck? Or did it not add it? Look at this. No Excalibur. Okay, it has to be... Oh, we got error. Aha. That's not the reason anything else happened. What the hell, man? We got Princess. We got everything else. Where's Princess? Was test methods just overwhelmed and didn't add them? Dart trap we got here. We haven't got any of these. What the fuck? Stinky landmine I should work. I mean, it's literally just give player item. I'm a live player. And it's not giving a return false error. Or log. We're just actually getting insanely bad luck. So what was this error for? Oh. That would be an issue. Where's prop? Plot prop. That is obviously an issue. Okay. Let's see. Plot prop error again. Which still no Excalibur. What the fuck's happening? It's like it's maxing out on the amount because there's no way it's just. Come on, we got like 500 pizza pickaxe, but not a single sticky landmine. Got 1 picnic, which spawned weirdly. I don't know what happened. Okay. And helper is literally just getting random plot. Spawning at that position. Is it because pivot 2? No, that wouldn't make sense. It's anchored. Wait, no, I did. Where is picnic? Picnic, where are you? Wait, you're in food. The main part is picnic blanket, which is always anchored. Yeah, so pivot 2 would not be automatically moving away. It's unanchored. Spawn point position. Oh, that would explain why. I'm stupid. That would explain why. Okay. Well, picnic now worky. Now it should work. I'm just confused of why none of the other events are happening. Is there something wrong in my events running randomization? Game. Event runner. Is guess run event? Or technically here then. Current event list. What's the problem? I mean, none of these are blacklisted, so I wouldn't remove it. That wouldn't make sense. So... Damn it, I should have deleted the logs. That's my fault for deleting the fucking logs. I just habit to do that when I start up the server. Because then I could have seen if it actually loaded all of them or not. So that is 100% my fault. Alright. Registering event. Sneaky landline real estate. See, I did all these. Plot, prop, jump for joy. I don't know why jump for joy is here. That shouldn't be in the test. React Excalibur. Oh. Okay, so plot prop unanchors the whole plot, even the ground. I think I forgot to make it only do the building. Okay, this is why we playtest. There's a Alright. Still know why jump for joy. Jump for joy should not be here. Test event method. Picnic Excalibur. Yeah! So it is just schizophrenically adding other... What? Test event method. Grr. What happened? Plot prop. Excalibur. Excalibur. Screw the parent name Excalibur. Stinky landline. What song is this? Gleok. Screw the parent name, so that shouldn't be a reason. Picnic. Same thing. What the fuck? Where is jump for joy coming from then? Okay, I may have fucked up somewhere in my event running code then. So why the hell would that be happening? First, jail was working. I can close that. Okay. That's a problem. And I'm very confused. So they're just getting random event. And the event is getting from current event list. And current event list is made over here. If it's loading test events, it just does that. So let's current event list. Because I'm not clearing the old ones, that shouldn't make sense though. Clear. Test event methods, which is added with that. So what the fuck is the problem here then? It should not be doing this shit. Okay. play again and see what happens. Also, I forgot to change one of the folder names. That actually might be why. Okay, now it's registering, and this is all registering regular events. I'm stupid. I think I was reading the oh, that's normal ones. That might be why. Okay, because I do registering event method. I should have that for test. Testing event method. Okay. I'm just fucking stupid and don't even read my own logs. Because now it tells which ones are being tested. It's kind of hard testing event number 2. Okay, that's great. Not very helpful. Change that log real quick. Event method number. Which one did I copy? Did I not do this? Testing event method. That's a way better log. You got picnic. Picnic's working fine. Picnic still working fine. Excalibur now going. Oh yeah, plot. Plot prop keeps on yeah, doing the whole plot. So now we're surviving just off of picnic. Seeing a landmine. Picnic. Is it spawning? It says random primary part doesn't exist. That sets spawn pause. Is it spawning it in spawn? No, it's not spawning in spawn. Where the fuck is it spawning it then? The hell? Spawn pause. Is it spawning in the void? Shouldn't it be? Hold up. I'm gonna investigate on the server. What's happening over here? It is spawning in the void. What? The plots are in the void. Look at this. It's just spawning it in the void. Even though the plots don't exist in the void. Why? I don't know. Well, I mean, I think I know why. It's because normally the actual plot itself would never get unanchored and fall in the void. So I never put a check to, you know, make sure it didn't fall in the void. It keeps on doing someone build prop. Okay, but poop. Excalibur is working. You can say that for sure. Landmine working. But this is a problem because it tries to spawn it at the primary part, which is nil. So then it'll spawn it at the world pivot. Because it was in the void, the world pivot would be at the last location it existed, which was in the void. Because it was unanchored. So it's still spawning it there even though it didn't exist. But then it technically should have stopped running and made a thing in the console saying, because here, try to get, no, not here. But try to get random plot, because all of them were in the void, technically shouldn't have returned any. So within nil, we'll return false, and then it should have said something here. An event runner if it returned false. So I'll do warn for that. No, okay. I'm not gonna fix the bug yet because I just want to see, because it should be giving out an error. Not error, but warning. I don't know why it isn't. Well, we'll do that, and then yeah. Picnic, going fine. So I wait for yeah, plot prop to make it fall in the void. And then it's already saying that doesn't exist. Okay, clear. Also, prop shouldn't be working really either. Picnic. She's server side. Current map. See, plots are gone. So it shouldn't be going. Still spawning some in the void. Spawn 3 in the void. Okay, I'm gonna delete all these ones in the void, just so I can tell if they're still spawning in the void. It is still spawning in the void. Oh, cause probably saving in memory, cause right now on the server it shows it doesn't exist. But probably in the memory of the of plot getter. Where the fuck is this bitch? And memory of plot helper, it still has it there, just nil. Then how is it still getting it though? All plots, get all current land plots. Which technically should be null. Because this gets land plot, get current land plots. Return current player land plots, which is returning all plots, which is would be nil. Null. That goes out of it, that goes out of it. So plot helper. Man, plot helper is really fucking me over right now. Because I mean technically it's not 0. It's just nil. Okay, well that's just a land plots problem then. So instead of just straight up, yeah. If land plot is equal to nil, then warn land plot is nil. Let's do player land plot is nil, and then other land plot is nil. I bet you if I do this, it's gonna do that. Technically, it won't do it here though. So now I have the dilemma. Very small dilemma, which I shouldn't really be worrying about, because it'll just be a simple for loop instead. Okay. So let's just do this, and I'm gonna see a bunch of warnings. Should. Because Phoenix spawns on any plot, which means you'll use the get all instead of the get player plot. So we'll get those warnings. So now it won't return, which means it will return something as 0, which means picnic will return false, which means it won't run the picnic one if there's no plots that exist, which technically shouldn't ever happen. But if there's an issue like this, then it will happen. So I will need that. Check. Oh, well, there wasn't any picnics to hide on. We have one straight in the void there. Okay, we need a picnic before we get a... Okay, picnic. Run! Could get 2. Now we wait for these plots to start falling in the void. There we go, first plot down. We check current map. Only just play one map right now. Not seeing any picnics falling in the void yet. See, it's still trying to do someone's building was a prop on the one that's in the void. Ah, still spawning it down here. What the fuck? Okay. Random plot. It should technically random plot equal to nil. I don't know why it's not equal to nil. It's literally fucking equal to nil. It doesn't exist. Get random any plot, which would be get current all random plots. That plot is nil. Unless Roblox has a different definition from when it's just not existing. That's nil. Land plot is equal to... How do we get more viewers to watch the stream? I don't know. I don't think it's gonna happen. Because the only people who are gonna be interested are people that watch me, or people that see me, but like the chance of people actually seeing the stream are low. It's about to rain. Where are you at? Over here in Illinois, it's about to rain Tuesday. That's about it. Everyone's favorite person's back. Continue. Continue. I think it should not be doing these. Current player plots. Which is just a table. When you create a building, it adds the new building. Which is the... Yeah, I guess delete it. So it's nil! So why is it still happening? Nil or land plot is equal to undefined. Is there like a... not in memory? Like, what the fuck? Why should I tell you where you lived? Just your state. Bro wants information about you? Maybe. Money, please? Not yet. Okay. Well, I was saying plot prop also checks if it's nil. Yeah, building equals nil. Then return false. It's fucking nil. Doesn't exist. Technically, it's checking the model. Guess my... Damn it, I can't even put it on the Roblox forums because my new account doesn't even have access to the forums. Because you need like... Because there's some crazy fucking limits to get on forums because Roblox is stupid. So I can't even ask people. Huh. Because there just has to be something with the memory. Because the actual things are getting deleted. They're getting deleted from workspace. But it's still retaining the models in memory and not having them as nil, even though they're fucking deleted. So why is Basic House over here? Oh, yeah, that's why. Because currently, current map has the plots. Okay, that's normal. And it falls in the void, it gets deleted. Allegedly. But I guess it doesn't delete it when it's any references to it. Yep, still spawning fucking picnic things down here. How the fuck? So how am I meant to check this then? How am I meant to check? If it's... Is it because it's archivable? Like... What the fuck? Yeah, it's still spawning shit down here. Look at this. It doesn't exist. So it should technically... The reference should be nil. But it's still fucking... doing it. I'm also still trying to make them props. It doesn't exist. Huh. That is stupid. What the fuck am I meant to do now? I mean, obviously this won't be an issue. Because the only time the whole plot is gonna go in the void is if, you know, the prop thing doesn't work. But if I fix that, then I won't have this issue. But like, this is just the issue that shouldn't exist. In the first place. Alright, well, let's just fix plot prop so I can stop thinking about this. Also, that's why, because I unanchored building plots, building parts, and I do the plot instead of the building. I had one job. Find first child building. Man, fuck you. If building is a nil, or not building is a model, then return false. There we go. Copy for housing? How? Plot prop event module. Okay, I should, well, that fixes that, and I was gonna call that a day, cause no, that won't happen and it won't matter. Hello, Asriel. You're welcome. Immensely just with the random rage bait. Every fucking hour, this kid comes up with something random to talk about. Roblox dev? Yeah. You're FNF dev? Oh. That's cool. It works. Okay, good. Oh, I guess it works. Okay. Well, I guess we'll just toss that issue. Okay, I'll just comment the issue. Because I don't like that. You're not a kid? Even you know that's a lie, man. You man, see, don't say that shit in my chat ever again. Sinning is... lying is a sin, and that's bad. Alright, land plots. A girl down marked as an issue. You sure about that? Exactly. Even Ezreal is doubting you. And they've been here for 1 minute, and they already know. Even they know. Where the hell is... Okay, current land plots. Roblox memory issue. If plot goes in void, it is not marked as nil. Same as buildings. Building reference. Okay. See? This kid just got the most random rage bait. It's not rage bait, it's just like random comments. Globbert. Welcome. Wait, Globbert? Have I seen you before? Your name... Your name seems familiar. Perhaps? I don't know. Maybe. Anyways, okay, I just fixed that. Let's... Ooh, Mario pipes. That's gonna be fun to refactor. Audio pipes. You don't know if FNF song is good? I don't know. I've never played FNF. Hand over the lobby? No. You will never get the lobby from me. Do the same game layout as you, same folder names, everything. For what? For like events and all that? Tell Blair if you can have it? No. You don't need it. An event game? What's yours based on? Spawn Mario pipes on a random plot. Spawn Mario pipes. Ooh, for this one, should I do at position? At positions. Pipe 1 pause. Vector 3. Pipe 2 pause. Vector 3. You only got Bone Tail. Week 3 retake. I have no idea. $5 and a kiss you give me you model. What are you yapping about, man? Alright. Okay. It's basically just ba-ba-boom. Ba-ba-boom. Ba-boom, ba-boom, ba-boom. So technically, let's just do both of them. You give me, is the game trailer? No. Yeah, I give you the game trailer and you try frickin' reposting it. So, that already tells me the respect you have for it, so I'm not gonna give you the frickin' lobby. It's kinda hard to explain this, chat. I mean, give me the general basis. Or is that also hard? Intro is kind of funny and cringe depending on. Well, is it like your Roblox game or what? Also, this should be... Two mysterious pipes appeared. Alright, so... This is handled over here. Local Mario pipe. Me just saying that is probably gonna get me copyright strict by frickin' Nintendo. Saying that on stream. Retro styled game event. So is it like... Man, I don't know if you've heard of my game, but... What kind of events? Is it like just based on random events happening to players? It goes through all new stuff to have removed, and all the details of how you make the game. Oh. Yeah, that's cool. Make 2D game mode? Maybe. I'll probably... It depends. I'll have to... I know a dev who has a pretty cool 2D thing. Collabing with him might be pretty cool. He's actually in the Discord, and we've talked about it. I'm trying to remember. Man, I know his fucking name. I don't have it right now though. Revamping's like SFOTH. I don't know what that stands for. I don't know any game abbreviations for Roblox except for Bustorm Simulator. Still waiting in the lobby? Well, I'm not doing it right now. Sure, that contains a bunch of memes. I mean, sword fight on the heights. I've never played that game. Is it Doomspire? Is it like Doomspire? Also, I need to add this to test method. Bad employing scares me. The what? So that would be... Ooh. Actually, technically... You know... Can I get a table? Screamy Man scares you in events. Oh, that guy, yeah. Pipe spawn pause. Actually, can make a custom type. That would be kind of cool. Local pipe spawn information. So I have pipe spawn pause vector 3. Can I not? Oh, I need to add export type. You subbed. You're fun. Thank you. Pipe spawn pause. Then it'd be pipe parent instance. Then parent instance. And also pipe reference. Or what do you call it? The pipe. What do I call the pipe that goes, that will be teleported to? Other pipe's too basic. Other pipe is also pipe spawn information. Watch this. What are you watching? What am I watching? I'll just do other pipe for now. So basically, we just have a table, pipe spawn information table. And then for I, pipe spawn info in this, you'll create new pipe. Then that position will be, or pivot to, pipe spawn info dot pipe spawn pause as a C frame, or else it'll error out. New Mario pipe dot parent equals pipe parent instance. But then the other part will be weird. Because pipe spawn information, can we get... Yeah. That'll be weird. You like the trailer? No. So now we have the dilemma. Because how am I gonna get... Because it'd have to be other pipe. Because I need other teleport part. Also have... No, I'll default it to teleport to the next pipe in the table. Nancy, please give me more attention. Indeed. So basically... local spawned pipes, which will be model, and then table.insert spawn pipes, new Mario pipe. Then we do another for loop after this. For I spawned pipe and spawn pipes. Also, to be more specific with that. If not, I understand. What? If just watch this, why are you saying Emancy? Oh, wait, ooh. Actually, no, because then it would be... the pipe info would be at the same index. So pipe spawn information table, I. So that still works. I mean, I could just set the frickin' parent here. It's not that bad. Anyway, whatever. Do you not see the text? Is there text? What do you mean? This looks like a TikTok chat. I mean, I see Turtles text. Wait. Oh. He's changed his name to Turtles. I can't really see the profile picture using OBS multi-chat. Does your name get approved? Sure. So then spawn pipe dot teleport. Ooh, teleport part. other teleport part value. I'm gonna change that to be, got the video name here. I think that's not, hold up, let me do this first. Mario pipe. I think I should need to be here because that's where the teleport script uses. So I need to get teleport part, the other teleport part. Some terrible local teleport part equals spawn pipe. Dot find first child teleport part. Local other teleport object value. Yeah, that name? Okay. So we got this. So now we just technically again. Teleport part is equal to nil, then warn spawned pipe doesn't have teleport part. Oh no. And continue, I guess. And then if other teleport object is nil, then warn spawned Mario. I'll do pipe. Just in case Nintendo has access to every single game and sees Mario pipe. Your Discord don't work? Is there anywhere in the Discord people can drop things they made? Yeah. And insert media. That's basically just anything to insert media in. Spawn pipe doesn't have other teleport part object value. Basically, pivot them, put them in spawn pipe table. Then we set that value equal to Turtles. Don't worry, Turtles is like autistic and horny. If you look in the Discord, he has some weird shit that he says that I probably can't say on YouTube. I'm not gonna delete them. And even if I did, other people screenshot your shit. That's how bad it is. Equal to nil or tell. Now to cast it as is a object value. Or isn't of type object value. So now add a value equals wait, no, it should be instead of spawn pipes table, it should be equals the teleport parts, because then I'll make this decoupled. Spawned teleport parts. So we new Mario part, new Mario pipe, find first child. Teleport part. Hello world. Also, this should be not that. Do you have any mods, man? Mods for what? Mods for the YouTube or Discord? YT? No, not on YouTube. do all the parts. It's gonna be really weird. If only Roblox had actual classes to use. This would make this a lot easier. From object to oriented programming. Send this one. Teleport part. That would be spawn teleport parts I+1. Did Roblox give you a warning? Who gave me? Wait, what? Who gave someone a warning? RT blocks channel accounts. Channel accounts? What do you mean by that? Local next teleport part index equal to if I is less than small teleport pods number +1 or -1, then I+1, else 0 or 1. So you can't see your channel. I see your channel. If I click you and click go to channel, I see your channel. If I click you and click the 3 dots, I see. Here, I'll send in the Discord so you can see it. Also, Glober, I'll watch your video once I'm done streaming, which will be in like 10 minutes. So I gotta go to sleep. I gotta head out. You're just going to work? Oh. Well, I can still see your channel though, just so you know. Bugging out on your phone or on your computer? Have you tried reinstalling it? Teleport, value, next one. Seems fine. That should work. Okay, that works. Now I can actually set the positions. Test 1, 2, 1, 2 FNAF mod. I see you typing that in the chat. Or do you mean by video on your channel? Sound like your grandma? Okay. Local function get pipe spawn pause for plot. Now watch this. Ba-bam. Ba-bam, 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 ba-bam. Basically done. phase. FF mod that I've paid. Yeah, I see that. So now local spawn pause is equal to all this shit. Technically world pivot is better. Let's name your video. Oh. How do you feel about the new UI rolling studio? I had that pop up once and I immediately closed studio for the day. I remember it was like a week and a half ago or 2 weeks ago. I opened up studio. It was horrid. Horrid. And then just today, right before I streamed, I noticed that it was not enabled. Because I could have sworn it was enabled. But I think they are rolling it out randomly. Huh? Okay. Roblox Studio has a new UI update. It is horrid. Never noticed that? Well, right now it's the normal one, but I've had it 2 weeks ago. When I loaded it up, it was like a different one, and it was bad. But not even bad, it was just disgusting. Like genuinely horrid. It's good, but they should start slow rolling out the UI slowly instead of all at once. Do they do it all at once and then revert it? If so, that's good. Because I like this a lot better. Because with that new UI, it's literally just all buttons. There's no text. I don't know, it was weird. You gotta go? You gotta see these touches good? Alright. See you, man. Spawn. Pause 1. They're making the UI that redev forum. They're still making it that? See, I also did try reading the dev forum, but I couldn't find anything on it. Once again, right before I streamed, I was like, wait, where's the new UI? And I tried looking, but I couldn't find it. Unless it's in one of the weekly recaps, then I don't know. Because I tried looking through this and I couldn't find it, so. It's in beta features? Oh. Good. Keep it in beta. I don't know. I didn't really like it. Also, obviously, because I'm used to this, so I think this is better, but I don't know. In my objective opinion, I didn't like it. Okay, so plots. Boom. Okay, so now we need local test event module. That's pipe spawn information. Like the old UI. Is that because we're used to it? Yeah. Cure tester's bones. That's normal. I guess, yeah. That's your flash job before you ban someone? What? Pipe 1 info is equal to pipe spawn pause equals spawn pause 1. Parent instance equals random plot 1. Same thing for pipe spawn 2, and all this can be put in a frickin' for loop. Go pipe spawn infos table equals event module that pipe spawn information. And then variable num of pipes to spawn 2. And then I forgot, it's like I equal to 1. How do you do a frickin' for loop again with numbers? It's just like so stupid weird in Lua. Tortoise type so formalu on Discord. What are you talking about, bro? Am I less than this? How am I forgetting to do a fucking for loop with an integer in frickin' Roblox? Roblox for loop over number. It's count equals 0. It was comma. Okay. Find your count. Whose account? Whose account? I mean, my account is public. I have it linked in my Discord, on my YouTube, and it's also one of my games is linked in the description of the stream. So I mean, it's not that hard. If I is equal to 1, then local random plots you feel important. I mean, I'm just telling you. Get random player plot and else get random main plot. Equals spawn pause to get pipe spawn for pause. Oh yeah, it's nil. If random plots is equal to nil, then no plots exist. Warn no plots that exist to spawn pipes on. Return. False. Want to play Dust today? I'm not doing it today. I already told you that I'm not gonna do it until I'm done with this. Pipe spawn info of type event module, that pipe spawn information, spawn pause equals spawn pause, pipe bear instance equals random plot, and done. Alright, this should work. We'll find out by testing. Do you know one of your friends has a deleted account? I have like 10 friends on my friends list that have deleted accounts. Israel, have you been on my channel before? Okay, go to my go to my channel and look at my third, fourth newest video. The one with the lots of views. That will explain. Okay, this should work. Subscribe, can you stop laughing about Minecraft? Were you one of the people who subbed from the Dementia one? Or are you new? Okay, prop is working. I'm not seeing pipes yet. Getting a lot of picnic. Was it even added? Testing event picnic. Testing event Mario pipes. Oh, 2 pipes appeared. Where they spawn? Okay, spawned nowhere. My video is speaking facts, thanks. Okay, it's spawning the pipes, but not. Where the hell? Where the fuck are these pipes? Okay, it's just not spawning them. That's false news. Yeah, I have like 9 deleted accounts because I think a lot of people add my account after that video, and my guess is that their accounts got banned right after. Stream is frozen. That's a you issue. Right now it's fine for me. Well, I press random plot. Random plot. There was no error, which means I got all this. Then it did this. It didn't set the parent for some reason. Also didn't do a warning, so what the fuck? Okay, print spawning pipe number at pipe spawn pause shoestring. Nope. Pipe spawn info, the pipe spawn does. Inside. Pipe spawn info, that pipe pair instance, that name. Let's see if that does anything. Also, wait, no. Stop. I know that picnic works, and plot prop. I just need to test Mario pipes. Okay, it didn't work. That's weird. Alright, let's find out why it's not working. Spawning it at inside player one plot. It says spawning them, but it's not actually putting them in here. Which means it has to be a problem with event module. Pipe spawn info. It creates a clone. Pivots to this, so why the fuck's that working? Is the table not being passed right? It's passing the table. I'm stupid. I don't insert into the table. I'm just fucking stupid. Okay. Well, now it's gonna work. Now it's obviously gonna work. I'm just stupid. I'm just stupid. That one teleports to itself. This one doesn't work. That one does itself. Okay, I know there's one that's working. When it's 1, that's at the last index. Because I equals 0 or equal to 1. Oh, I'm forgetting. I'll erase start at 1 of Lua. Okay, that should fix it. Keep forgetting Lewis, stupid. It starts at 1. And I already know that's gonna work, so let's do that, and then yeah. That works, and then there we go. Okay. What? It's a lot of them. Okay, well, it works. Alright, that's it. That's all I'm gonna do today. Good work. I got like at least 7, 8 events done. Just gonna create a local backup and then end stream. Thank you all for being here.